Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. Now here's the cranberry relish recipe. I've changed the recipe a bit to make it healthier. Now what you'll need is one 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, which are in season now, fall/winter. 1/2 cup of orange juice. Now again, look for 100% juice, not orange drink or anything with added sugar. Cinnamon and nutmeg to taste. Chopped walnuts or pecans. Now there's no need to add sugar since orange juice will make the relish sweet. If it's too tart, you can add 1/3 cup of raw sugar, which is unbleached, unrefined, unprocessed. Or better yet, you can use agave. You can find agave or blue agave syrup where you find sugar or baking products in the supermarket. Agave is lower on the glycemic index, so it avoids the sugar spike that can cause problems with blood sugar levels. Okay, so first you'd like to combine all the ingredients with 1/2 cup of water in a saucepan or small pot. Bring up to a simmer over medium heat and cook for 15 minutes. Make sure the pot is covered. The cranberries start to pop as they cook, and they will make a big mess in your kitchen if the pot is not covered. Once all of the cranberries have popped, turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Give it a stir. You can add more chopped nuts if you want a little more crunch, and orange zest. You can use a zester, a cheese grater, or a fork to zest an orange. The orange peel contains orange essential oils, which is another source of antioxidants that really enhances the orange flavor. Give it another stir. Once the mixture is room temperature, put it into a glass container. The cranberries can stain a plastic container. Then put it in the fridge to chill. The cranberry relish will thicken as it cools and should be served cold. And you can add additional orange zest as a garnish when you serve. Enjoy! Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next month for an all-new episode of Green and Woke. And remember to keep it simple, keep it constant, keep it green, and together we can build a better planet.